Okay guys, let's start. So I'm gonna zoom in a little bit with the lens. I hope, yeah, that's better. Of course, in editing, if it's not better, I'm gonna like zoom in the editing, but I guess that's nice. I can see what I'm recording right now. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna do a magic ring. It's really easy to do, and how I'm gonna use it, do it. So I'm gonna like add a little bit of tail in my hand, just like this, and just go around my two fingers here. Okay, and make like, it's really hard to explain it in a slow motion, so I'm gonna make kind of a cross on the top of my fingers. Okay, again, so I'm gonna hold it, just go in like oblique way, and just like this, and try to do an X on the top of your two fingers. Okay, and then I'm gonna hold my crochet hook and just go under this one, okay, and grab that. This is the yarn itself connected to my skein. I'm gonna grab that from underneath and just go around like this, and to secure my magic ring. My magic ring is done, but I'll always love to secure it with one chain. Okay, so it's secure. When I leave it from my fingers, okay, it's done, it's here. Okay, and how we change it, we just grab that so it's closed and it's like open. Okay, so it's really easy to do. Let's do it again. So I'm gonna hold my tail, go around, just do this X with my crochet hook, go under this one and grab that one, and go like this and grab it to make one chain to secure the ring. And then I can take it off from my fingers, and here we go. I have my ring. So let's start. I'm gonna hold my ring, okay, or my thumb ball, I guess, and just go all around and add my yarn in here. Of course, then I do a demonstration again in the DIY video, so yeah, if you wanna create it, it will be so helpful for crocheting. So here we go. I have one chain here and I have my ring secure and beautiful, but I have one chain. So what I need another two chains, 1, 2, to have my 3 chain as a start. And this 3 chain will work as a double crochet. Okay, so this is a double crochet. And again, I'm gonna yarn over. Okay, just like go from under around, and then go to my magic ring, just inside, and grab the yarn. Okay, and do a double crochet. So I'm gonna yarn over again, go through 2 loops. We have 2 loops left, and then I'm gonna go through 2 loops, and this is a double crochet. So now I have a double crochet, and 3 chains works as a double crochet, so I have 2 double crochets right now inside the ring. And again, I'm gonna yarn over, just go through the ring, yarn over, grab the yarn over, go through 2 loops, yarn over, go through 2 loops. So here we go. I have 3 double crochet. Okay, so next I'm gonna make another 2 chains. Okay, so I need 4 clusters of 3 double crochet inside the ring before close it. I'm gonna close it just a little bit, so it's because it's too wide. Okay, so I have chain 2, and again I'm gonna yarn over and make 3 double crochets now. Okay, I made 2 because I have the 3 chains. Now I need 3 double crochets, so I have 1, and then go again. I have 2. Okay, go again inside the ring. I have 3. And hold the ring with your 2 fingers like this, so it's open, so you can see, and it's like nice and ready for you to work in. So I have 1 and 2 cluster of 3 double crochets, and I have 2 chains in between. Again, I'm gonna chain 2, be the next corner. I need 4 corners because it's square, of course, so I need another 2, so let's go. So I have 1, again 2, and 3. Okay, so I have 1, 2, 3 of 3 double crochet, chain 2, and the last one again go 1, 2, and 3 double crochet. Okay, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4 clusters of 3 double crochet. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna close my ring, which I'm gonna grab the tail and just pull nicely. That's okay. You need a long tail so you can hide it later on. Okay. And then, okay, so as you can see, I have my little square begin to have a shape here. So let's see. So as you can see, I have, okay, let's take it off. Okay, so if you can see that, so this is our start point. Okay, so I have 3 double crochet, 3 chains and 2 double crochet. So we have 1, 3 double crochet 2, 3 double crochet 3, 2 double crochet 4. I have like these corners. Okay, the increase will be in the corner later on. So I have a small square, but still there's a space here. I need to make another 2 chains to connect this cluster with the first one. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna chain 2, which will be the last chain 2 in this row, chain 2, and in the 3 chains that we made at the beginning, I'm gonna count 1, 2, and the third one I'm gonna go in with my hook, okay, just like this, and grab the yarn and go through it, and with the same loop I'm gonna go through the last chain I have to slip stitch and close my row. So now my first row is done and ready. As you can see, begin to have a little square shape, so beautiful and nice. Okay, so let's go to the next video and the next row number 2.